Hello, my name is Joaquin, and now that this class is nearly over, we only have one class left. I kind of want to reflect on what I liked from this class. One of the things that I really liked was the group book that we did together. Of course, I liked working with my two partners. They were really nice and they really did a great job. They never slacked on their project. They never slacked on their part of the work. We all worked together. We were all able to make times to work with each other, and it was really nice being able to do the lesson together. Some of the things about the class that I really liked was the readings. The readings, which was about 8 chapters. I forgot which one it was, but it was probably the biggest or the longest readings we read every week, and it really taught me things like the team teaching, which we incorporated in our lesson, and a lot of the different things like CSPs, culturally sustaining pedagogies, and also UDL, different ways to incorporate teaching for our students. It was all really important stuff that I would definitely be incorporating into my classroom. And also I really liked the discussions we had. I feel like the class, we really had to work for our grade. We didn't really, the answer was never given to us. Definitely was never given to us. We always had to work for it. We had to ask questions. We had to make sure everything was done nicely and everything was really organized for for it to be graded. And I really liked that everything was really organized in the modules. It was sometimes difficult to find some things, but overall, if you go to the week, it was really easy to find. I also liked how our class was pretty small, so it made it pretty easy to know everybody and know what people were thinking. We kind of all had the same thoughts, but it was sometimes the classes were a little rough when a lot of us were a little behind on our work or we didn't read a ton. It made it kind of difficult for the classes to really move along. And a part of the class which was also pretty difficult was the learning objective. The learning objective was pretty tough to master. We had to go at it 2 or 3 times. Of course, I'm sure we weren't the only group to struggle with it, but overall I feel like this class I really learned a ton, and there are really a bunch of things I will be incorporating into my learning later on in my life, and things like the readings, and also part of my very own lesson, things that I liked, probably like working together and doing all the things. It was really, really fun. And yeah, this is a class which over time I enjoyed, and I'm glad I took, definitely. Thank you.